Okay, as I was telling you, there's a bag down here. Larry's gonna cut it open, see what's in it. Yeah, it's frozen. What are you saying? It is an empty bag. No million? No money, huh? Well, Forest, started here in Forest, and we're gonna go down that way. We'll go that way, guys. There you go. Alright. Now if you guys look at the bridge, yeah, if you look at the bridge here, guys, there's numbers. Yeah, guys, look, there's numbers on the bridge. Only on each side. We don't know that. But anyway. Careful. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. You see?
First Street Bridge. You gotta be careful because there's a big tire right here. We're by number 15 on the wall, number 13 cleaner. Okay, a shotgun.
Yep, between number. Yep.
That's a shotgun.
Between 13 and 15.
I say, if you guys have ice at Regional here in Wisconsin,
Yeah, we
you're
find.
really bored and you're really depressed, go for a walk. Walk the rivers.
Walk the river.
Look how fish 100.
I mean, it's pretty shallow. I mean, that's not pretty deep at all. I mean, that's pretty shallow. Look at this here. Look at this. We're walking on ground right here. Technically, this is ground.
Yeah, that's it. We could just see the shotgun. Okay, so there are 4 guns we've seen in 2 days.
Bags.
Newspaper.
Newspaper. You want a newspaper? You want a nudie paper? There's a nudie paper.
Look how beautiful it is. Look how clear this ice is. These are under bridges. You can see. Except we can't.
Between number 13 and 15. So here's the tire.
It's right here.
Yep. So here's our tire.
Here, so you can see it through the ice. Got all the colors on it.
Yeah.
Right
It's
here,
down there.
right here, you see the bottom barrel. There.
And it goes down.
And right here is where the stock is. You can see the stock. That's it. There's a big tire.
Big old tire. Big tire. What else we got here?
What's that?
I have no idea. It's weird looking.
You have a huge pipe there. It's like,
Yeah, it looks like a big old pipe. Big old long piece of piping.
another one right there.
Yeah. No, I don't know. That might be a gun barrel.
It's kind of too big for a gun barrel.
No, because it stopped. Ooh, goes from here to here.
I'm talking about
Yeah. Well, you got to figure though too. The shotguns are they're pretty big barreled.
Like I said, you get bored in the wintertime and stressed out because you get many fish or get stressed.
We do. We walk. This is our second time now walking.
So far, we caught 4 days, in 2 days, 4 guys in 2 days today.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we find a lot. We find a lot of stuff out here. We find quite a bit of stuff. That's half rose. Oh yeah, we do. We do.
Right now we're behind our pole stuff here, file act. This is where a guy that punched me in the face, jumped in. I was showed by the police department. He had the gun. Never see the gun. So the gun could be anywhere in this area.
Something in it. Oh, maybe not. No, you know what that was? Oh. Yeah, see, this is what you guys want to do, you know, just come out here and start walking.
Coming up our second bridge, Second Street, in my hometown.
Yep, we're gonna go up underneath this bridge here. There's one more of them portraits. There's another one of them. Oh no. Something locked, do not remove. It said.
It's really low. If you can this low.
Oh, hush, kitty cat. Well, now we have 19W, 18E.
Again, look how low this water is.
I mean, this water is very low.
Yeah, how beautiful it is. Right through.
I mean, look, just look at the cracks. Where? Oh yeah. Yeah, a bunch of fishies down there. Bunch of baby fishies too. There's a big old tree ranch. Oh yeah, look at them all. Look at all the fish under there, guys. There's quite a few of them. Big old brick. There's a bunch more, guys. What?
I don't know if that's wood or metal.
I don't know. Look at the... I mean, the ice is pretty darn clear, guys. It's really clear out here. Piece of paper. See, this used to be all underwater here. This used to be all underwater. From here up. From where my foot is all the way up, used to be underwater. We got a hose of some sort. Oh, this is... Hey, what's this right here? What's that right there?
Oh, wow.
That right there.
That looks like a part of the sewer thing. So what we meet people, that's what we do. We find stuff. Because it's ideas where to take our canoes or kayaks or whatever.
Or the boats or... What's that right there? Right in front of my boot.
I don't know, that's a video down there or a stick. I'm not sure.
Hard telling. But yeah, guys, this is what we like to do. We just like, you know, to come on out, and what we do is we walk these rivers. Yeah, there's quite a bit of open water here. I mean, what's up? What's that?
Someone lost their, what's it called down here? Junior staff, whatever it is.
I wonder. Oh, that's for the Boys and Girls Club. That's for the Boys and Girls Club. And the jail. And we got the jail. See, there was something big that Clay was always hitting on over here too.
That's what we call a jail pen.
We're just walking. We're not going too far today, but we're just gonna do a little bit of river walk. We do have open water over there as we're coming up to it. Now this is the section that we found three or four of them bikes that day. So, hey, Larry, where's the magnet? It's open.
Got open water there, hey. Rob both went in.
Nah, Rob's good. It's not that deep though either. Hey, look, there's a bag. Yeah, I know. Here's a bag. There's another bag up there.
Oh.
What? Is that a box?
Look at Taco.
Yeah.
There's that pipe right there.
Oh shit, there's my soda.
That's in the ice, Rob. You don't get the
Yep.
There's like a wood duck house or a I'll just start
Oh yeah. Yeah, like I said, guys, this is where we've gotten all the bikes at. Where people like to ditch the bikes. And it's the YMCA is right there. We got the jail. So
Is this where Clay and Jen got that bottom motor from?
what motor?
Who's in?
I don't know. I don't know if it was from here or where it was from. See, it doesn't even register. Look at that. Nothing's registering for the water. But we got open water. I don't see nothing over here either. Masks, because you know it's COVID season. COVID. You got the coronavirus. The coronavirus. You see them laying all over this damn place. People just throw them wherever. Then we got apartments up here.
A lot of drug activity in there.
Yeah. There's a lot of drug activity in that building. Quite a bit of it, actually.
It's kind of hard, man, if it's not just lost here. That's what
Yeah, it is.
We gotta have like a canoe or a kayak or something to get back in this area. If we try to make stuff off.
Look at that wall, dude. It's like, there's a wall. It's like fucking starting to fall apart. It's starting to crumble. See, we like to, we'll come up over here and we'll just walk a little bit and see what we can find. I just popped the bag. That's all that was. It was frozen halfway in the river. I popped it. I said, screw you.
We're coming up to our next bridge up here. It's Western Avenue. It's right out of jail. And we're going to see what's on you get for.
Huh? You want to pop a balloon? Ooh, a balloon? This was not as loud as the other one, darn it. Huh? Where?
Another old car bumper. See it?
Yep. And we ain't gonna get that out anytime.
And here's those rocks that I've seen earlier, the Clay and Jen.
They have names and stuff on them.
Names on there. That's from Union Park. Prive. Scott.
Paver?
Scott Nobila.
Is that an actual?
Brick.
Wow. That's crazy, guys. Huh?
So that's what that is.
Oh, you know what that is? That's another one of them damn
Sitting there things.
pressure plate that we found.
Yep, another boom boom.
Another boom boom.
That's highly explosive. We were told last time we found it, but this one here is really thin.
And no, it's missing everything else.
They're pressure plates.
Yeah, it's missing everything else. It's missing the whole innards. So this one is nothing to worry about. This has no innards left. The innards are gone.
It's like a table leg. That's in there real good. That's an old car bumper again.
Yeah. So that right there, guys, is nothing to worry about. It's missing the other parts of it, so it's not gonna go kaboom. We found one last time, and yeah, it almost went kaboom on us. Because our dumbasses just kept playing with it.
Throwing it up in the air.
Throwing it up in the air, smacking it on the ground. See, the water usually is up this far.
Hey, come right there. I go to Monday. This back.
What?
Yeah.
So guys, we're just like I said, we're just out walking. All sorts of pretty flowers and shit. There's just all sorts of stuff. This is what Larry and I, Clay from the Rusty Magnets, Jen from the Rusty Magnets. This is just something that we like to do. You know, we just like to go out walking, walk the river, the frozen river, just to see what we can find. Want a carpet?
No, I don't need no carpet.
Carpet's there.
So here's our third last bridge. This is Western Avenue by the jail.
Yep.
You know, people up in the jail like hiding for your ride. Up this cross like a tree up there.
Yep.
Sometimes you find little baggies with money in that in it.
Weed,
Whatever else.
drugs,
Pipe.
pipes, whatever else. Because, you know, they like to hide it out here. And that's just usually, that's usually the people on Huber. And there's a bag right there. I don't know.
This is where like the people from jail and Hoover like hide this and everything. Because they're not allowed to back in jail.
This is going to be our last bridge that we're going to be looking up and under. We're going to look up and under here, and it's not, yeah, it's pretty clear yet. This side here is a little deeper. What's this? Right in between my legs, right here.
There's a big rock down there, see? This is the area that we gotta get in here with the canoes and everything, like I say. The wall is all down here because
We don't know.
part of it's kind of dark and can't really
Huh? Oh, you want to walk on the landing up there? Holy Nikes, look at all the
see.
fish.
Oh, guys, can you see my phone? All the fish swimming around.
Ah, that's a lot of fish, guys.
Look at that. Picking up dirt there. Oh, the big one there. Dirt.
Oh, here's some big ones right here. He's kicking up all the dirt in there.
Look at that.
Look at him.
Look at all the fish. See him go?
Look at this.
Honestly, you see like a lot like this. You look at this here, you typically find stuff to go in here.
Yeah, you can find a lot of stuff in the... Because usually this is all underwater.
They have to, though. That's what I like, because, like I say, we've seen 4 guns already in 2 days.
Yeah, just walking around, just basically looking, see what we can find out here. Get more ideas on where to magnet fish during the summer. That's about all we're doing. We're just trying to find more areas to fish at.
This area is all weedy.
Pumpkin? Want a frozen pumpkin? Now we're coming up to the medical examiner's office. We're actually going to be behind there.
Look, second ball.
There's our second ball right there, the green one. We found a, what color was that, pink earlier? Larry found a pink one earlier. Huh? Is it an old chair? Oh, by God, is it a chair or is it a table?
It's a chair.
See, we find all sorts of stuff. Like, last night we found, we think that's an old fuel pump. An old metal fuel pump. I mean, there's just a lot of stuff that we do find. So,
There used to be an old building here a while back. It burnt down. I told Clay so we got an area to make tomato fish because this is where they dump all their snow and everything to pick up
yep.
in winter time. And you find a lot of coins and whatever else in there.
Yeah. Isn't this where you found? Yeah, this is where we found a lot of stuff too. It was right up here. Would have been right up here against that wall. Yeah.
Right there.
There's another bag over there too by the wall. By the seawall. Yeah, I know, right? Gotta figure out where we can get up, Pat. I don't want to try here. Is this? Yeah.
It's pretty weird because they dumped their grass up on top up there and it's really soft. You can sink it.
Yeah, and then now they're adding a shit ton of snow on top of it. And if you guys look at that building right there, that is the Fond du Lac morgue.
How video ended?
Here's did?
Yeah.
Huh. I'm not on live though. I'm just a record.
That was live. Erin said Amanda is out on Monday, so all she said was just call and find out.
Oh Jesus Criminy, really? So yeah, guys, we're gonna try and find a place to get up at. Get back up on shore. This is where we found a lot of stuff too. A lot of metal pipes, a lot of heavy stuff here. Was in this section. But the only thing that sucks about the magnets though is because that's a that's a seawall, and that's all metal right here, guys. Yeah, we've actually walked past here once already with Clay and
We
Jen.
didn't walk this far.
No, we walked up just a little bit right around the bend here.
Hello? Hello?
Back
Hey,
hurts.
can you hear me?
No.
Come on, let's get the phone step here.
There's a bag of some sort. And then we found out that this building here, guys, is the police impound building where all the vehicles go.
Yeah.
We're crazy. What? But yeah, guys, this is what? Can we get up through this way? All right, guys. So, and Larry expects me to try to climb this with shitty boots on, sliding boots. All right, I got her. We're going. I'm up. So far up. So, all right, guys. Well, I'm going to be ending this. Larry, what is your favorite or your famous words that you say at the end of the videos?
Like, subscribe, and please share.
And
And see you on the top side.